Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to yet another live session where we are going to drop another hiring for you. So, if you're from 2024 or 2025 batch, then welcome to this live session. It's going to open another internship opportunity door for you. So, let's quickly knock at that. If you have any other friends or juniors, seniors, brothers, sisters, siblings, anyone who belongs to 2024 and 2025 batch, invite them on this live session. Join us with them and let them know that this opportunity is going to be there to get placed in HackerRank. All right, so yes, the hiring that we're going to talk about today is for the HackerRank internship. So we are going to deep dive into this world, but before that, let me just quickly get a chit chat. We're just going to wait for a couple of minutes more so that more people join us in. And before that, just let me know in the live chat below if you have started preparing for the placement season and which companies have you already applied and registered, and are you already preparing for it? From where are you preparing? How is your placement journey going on right now? Let's just quickly get an update on your placement journey, and then we'll start off with this live session here. All right, so drop it down below. What is your placement journey? Oh, whether you're like, just rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10. Where is your placement journey right now? Is it on 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9? Okay, 2023 batch. However, we see the 2023 batch is not eligible right now because the name of this internship is winter internship. All right, so I don't think you're going to be eligible. But you can just go and give it a try. If you receive the test link, great. If you don't, you can just go and move forward with any other hirings. We have multiple hirings on our channel that we have gone live for, and you can apply to those hirings. The links of the same will be there in the videos of our live sessions, so you can go and get started with that. All right. So we are going to start off with the live session here. Until then, just let me know in the live chat below if you have actually started preparing for all the drives that you've applied. So have you applied to the drives? Yes or no? And have you started preparing for the drives? Yes or no? Okay, yes, we are excited. So let's start off with the content, actual content here for what we are live. So we are live for HackerRank, a software development engineer internship, which is on site. So it's not an offline, it's not an online job, right? It's going to be on site. So you have to be present at the campus or inside the campus in order to be a part of this internship. All right. So there's a huge yellow box where they've written this is a 6-month full-time on-site internship, which is starting from Jan to June 2024. Please apply if you are available for a full-time work from Bengaluru. All right. So yes, if you feel that you fancy visiting Bangalore for whatever reason, just ignoring the traffic over there, if you fancy being over there, this is the time that you should be applying for this internship. Just go explore Bangalore for the full 6 months, and you can decide whether you want to stay there further or not. All right. So yes, Bangalore people, this internship is for you. So just quickly, if you want to go around and read how your life would be at HackerRank, you have a complete phase over here. Just go read it through. It's going to be a crazy, crazy scene over there. Since it's internship, you're going to learn a lot at HackerRank. All right. And they have just given very simplified steps for application, so you don't have to go around, pushing around whether how you are going to apply, what are the steps you have to do. Nothing very elaborative. It's very simple, and they have mentioned all the steps right here on this page. The link for this page will be given out to you once the live session ends. All right. So once the session has ended, the link will be there in the description box. So whoever is going to come up with a question for the application link, here's your answer. Let the session end, watch us till the end, and you will get the link in the description box once it is over. All right. Moving forward, so they have mentioned a couple of steps for your application. The first step is to create a resume. Now, they don't want any fancy resume that you would want to be uploading. They don't want that. What they want is you have to create a resume from their hackerrank.com resume website. So once you click on this particular link right over here that I am highlighting right now, you are going to land on this page, and here you will have to create a resume that they would be preferring. All right. The first step would be creating a resume. So if you already created a resume, dump that out, come over here on this particular link and create an all over new fresh resume. Second thing to keep in mind while creating a resume is ensure to import all your GitHub projects. All right. So they have mentioned that they want your GitHub projects. So if you haven't already done any GitHub project, this is the time that you start doing them up, pick them, complete them, and import them on your resume. All right. And then ensure to add any or all of your open source contributions and projects. So again, there's a second line of open source contributions and projects. So if you collaborated with any team projects, if you collaborated with your team members, your batchmates for any open source contribution, please add them in along with multiple other projects. So they have concentrated a lot on projects. If you don't have them, you are going to miss this opportunity. But don't worry, we are going to come up with great, exciting, amazing project ideas, which you can quickly pick up, know the source code, and compile them up, and just present it before the HackerRank invigilators. All right. The third step that you have to do is uploading your resume. Obviously, you will have to do that. And lastly, solve the HackerRank test. So once you have clicked on the submit application form, you are going to receive a test, all right, on your mail. And then you will have to just attempt very few simple coding questions so that it just prepares you up for your upcoming HackerRank examination. All right. So those are very simple steps. The FAQs are right over here. It is a paid internship and comes with a lot more. So let's say you're coming up with experience, learning, growth, and so on and so forth. All right, moving forward, you have insurance coverage. So you can just come over here, read all the FAQs that is going to benefit you. Quickly, now the most important step is your registration, and it's a very simple one-step registration, which is just going to take you a couple of minutes if your resume is already done. All right. So first name, last name, email, phone, and resume. Are you available for on-site internship? Yes or no? Select your graduation year. Now, this is where the confusion may arise if you're filling the form. So you will have to select the drop down, which is 2021 to 2025. All right. Don't select any other drop down options. Only select 2021 to 2025 if you want to be eligible for this particular internship hiring. All right. And lastly, are you available to work from Bangalore? So there goes your answer, yes or no. And finally, where you are residing right now. All right. And just click on submit application. Once you do that, you are going to receive a test link on your mail. Just go for the test, apply, like take the test, understand what type of questions you'll be getting. They're going to be very simple questions. But if you want to solve all the questions, whether it is simple or whether it's complicated, and get your post as an intern solidified at HackerRank, this is what you have to do. You can come on Prep-Insta and you can see that we have a complete HackerRank online course, specific course which is going to help you work through your placement journey in HackerRank. All right. So you can come onto this page and see the entire syllabus. We have 10 plus mocks and 250 plus hours of content for only and only HackerRank. We have all and everything that you need. Apart from that, since the company has put a lot of focus, a lot of concentration on the projects, and we promise you that we're going to get you some exciting, amazing projects. So you just have to scroll down on Prep-Insta Prime. Once you do that, you're going to come to this Let's Create Projects carousel. Once you're here, you can see that you can play ping pong, and not just play, but create a ping pong game for you, or an Android calculator, or a data analysis project, and so on and so forth. And just click over here and scroll through the carousel. It's going to be unending. So you can just pick multiple projects from here, get the source codes, apply your own unique source code, and create a new project all over. And it's going to be so easy for you to get placed in HackerRank if you have multiple projects. Not just one, not just two, but multiple projects. All right. And we also have a complete course on GitHub as well. So you can just quickly come here down and get your GitHub and Git profile as well. All right. Apart from that, if you want to solve all the previous year questions for HackerRank, just come over here, come on to prepinsta.com, go on to our HackerRank dashboard, and you are going to get a world of previous year questions for HackerRank. All right. That's going to be it. That's all the preparation material that we can provide and more for you only on prepinsta.com and prepinstaprime.com. Apart from that, if you want to get more such important updates and important details about the registration process, the preparation process, and so on, quickly just follow us on all of our social media handles. You are going to get all of the latest updates on Instagram for sure. And if you don't want to miss out on the joining link and the application link, follow us or join us on WhatsApp as well. All right. And Discord is there for you. We have a complete Discord community. where you can come and explore the world of coders, explore the world of engineers, and communicate with us mentors directly. All right. So if you want to deep dive into the world of placement and get placed in your dream company, this is your time. Connect with us on social media handles. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because you're watching this live session on YouTube. And if you're going to not subscribe, you're going to miss an amazing drive updates. And that is going to lead you to no placement opportunities this placement season. All right. So don't miss out on that as well. Apart from that, if you have any other query regarding this particular internship, drop them down in the live chat below. We are there to answer all your queries right away. All right. Also, there's a quick little discussion that I would want to take with my audiences, that they are coming, they are viewing our content, but they're not subscribing. And I don't know why. So we have a very sad number for subscribers, and I don't want that. As you can see, it's only 25.8%. All right. And it's only 83% the non-subscriber rate. So I just want to decline that rate and increase subscription rate. So make sure you're coming and subscribing. Ask all your friends to subscribe to YouTube channel, and let's push up the subscription button up and the non-subscription button down. All right, so let's do that. And if you have any other query, drop them down in the comment section below. We will wrap up this session in the next few couple of minutes. All right. Yes, you can definitely receive all the previous year own and assessment questions. You can quickly come on to prepinsta.com or prepinstaprime.com and get your hands on all of the previous year assessments. So there goes your answer, Navish Monga. And if all of you have any other query, you can also DM us on our Instagram channels. All right, the link of all the social media handles will be there in the description box below. So don't forget to get those links. Don't forget to get the application link in the comment section, in the description box below once the live session ends. All right. That is that. Also, you can use coupon code YouTube as well. All right. So we have, even though we have great discounts already running all over our website, you can also use the coupon code YouTube to get additional percentages off on the already discounted prices. So that's going to be a great benefit for all the YouTube viewers. So if you want to be someone who's going to reap the benefits of YouTube subscribers, then use the coupon code YouTube and get extra additional discounts on already discounted prices. All right. So, and if you don't want to miss getting placed in this placement season, come follow us on social media handles, and the application link will be given out to you everywhere you are following us. All right. So we are just going to wrap up this live session here. If you have any other query, call us on our either number. The number will be there in the live chat, or you can just DM us on our Instagram or on our Discord or WhatsApp or any other social media handles. All right. I hope I'm clear with that. So with that, thank you so much. We are going to wrap up this session over here. If you have any other query, don't forget to reach out on our social media handles. Thank you so much. We'll just drop it now.